advice to you guys. I choose the career it depends on the government or it depends on the Mr. Balat. Mr. Balat said he's an artisan in the engineering sector. It's another rank in there. If Mr. Balat he can just buy mala and then he's open his own spaza shop and then and do whatever that he does in his field. I will give him the post of government. Okay, no, you don't have to wait for that. As a lawyer, I've worked for so many companies before I opened my own. The most difficult thing about being a lawyer working for another lawyer, who was born how much are you making for this guy? Because whenever client comes over, I send another client away. You always send the invoice the client and then I look at the client and Mr. Baloy, I've settled my bill. You'll find that him waiting who pay around about maybe 250,000 for that law firm. And then they come and pay you 25,000, which is, I don't know, going to be a quarter or less than a quarter of what you've made for them. So the choose the career guys, like honestly, choose the career you would have a skill and then you would have something to offer to the society. And then you just fold your arms to go so, well, with that being said, based on what I've said, law is one of those careers. And most of the people have training. I usually pick people from around Tani. And then another thing is because I was the under president, the school professor, and then I was a deputy president, Mafarana second. That's where I've learned Kuri. So it's quite pivotal in a manner where we are school, we never had such things. I have not had the opportunity to go and buy him, artisan, because we didn't know about that. There were no access to information. Where you are a generation that you cannot afford to be ignorant. Look, don't just go to Facebook, Twitter. At least give yourself an opportunity, just 30 minutes, man, that way. Or research about the career that you want to do. Read about the facts about the career. Because when you have got access to information, we didn't. We had to wait for a principal of organize a career exhibition by University of Limpopo, where I can say that the career of and then we go to the career exhibition, go 50 rand, I was born and it's before that I don't have money. But when you guys have an opportunity to use your phone, there's everything that you need to learn about the career. So another thing which as a lawyer you must a very good skill that you must have, it's a researching skill. You must be able to research. Because you deal with different people with different problems every day. And the problem is problem because our fees are very expensive. If I could thinking that I solve a lot, trust me, they wouldn't come and pay such amount. A lawyer will charge everything. Everything, literally everything. If a matter where I do a lot of matters like Zanin as well. From me to leave Johannesburg to come to Zanin, I charge per kilometer. Yes, I charge per kilometer, 550 per kilometer to and from Zanin. I don't only charge per kilometer, I charge per hour as well. I add the hour I didn't spend and didn't travel. So only for me to travel in Zanin and Tankela, you'd find that you'd have paid around about maybe 18,000 only on traveling fees. So yeah, so now another thing, I would like Mr. Shkombana to come back and just explain. I was dealing with a matter in Northwest, the public protector and the Department of Agriculture. So while I was representing those clients there, we have received funding from the Department of Agriculture. While I was doing my own research, I've learned Department of Agriculture, there are so many fundings. The department got millions. that you just have to apply for Unkomeland, the last Danilani, Lavoksham Samazambar, and you apply for such funding, they give you millions of Nikatana there. Those are some of the things that, had I not been a lawyer, I'm not Steve. But because we have Banbakfananawa, Tatanash Kwama, I must come and explain to you guys. Because you don't have to wait for our university and you follow all that custom for our in agriculture. Like, for example, so I don't know if Tatanash Kwama can hear me. I would like him to take at least 2 minutes and explain different types of fundings that you can get as a prosperous farmer. Farming away, and how can you go about that? Because those are the things. I'm not one person who encourages employment. I'm against that. I want you guys to cover me to under independency from a lower level. Another thing, which students is not to be part of politics. Politics are very important. Mfanami join a politics because we end up having leadership in our Migilani simply because we didn't take part in politics. I see even our Councillor Tatana Mashel is here. Hopefully now, but I don't know if he's gonna. I'm not trying to change the program, but this is something that I will when you start taking part in politics. When you logo that's where you become the MMC, the mayor. You don't just wake up over MMC, over mayor, over president. Because if you can just take a look around the Law 25, we've never had someone politics. We always have the best academics, we always have the best careerists. So, whereas politicians are making a lot of money, if I may tell you guys. And then politics. That's why you cannot differentiate between the law and politics. And they know the law so well. That's why they are so good at breaking it. I'm kidding. So yeah, with that being said, I don't know if there's anything yeah, but I think that's it from me. Well, yeah, I think that's it from me. Maybe I should just do things differently. Do you guys have any questions for me?
I want to ask you, what are you? Are you an advocate? Are you an artist?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ndzhaka. I'm in a team. Yeah. Okay, one question. Yes, Miranda. Yes. I think your only option would be, if I look up greater, of course, would be to go start. There's a diploma in law at UT without a bachelor. Who pass a diploma in law at UT? I think it's a 3 years course. And then you take your diploma in law. I know it's UNISA. UNISA they do Baku creditor for LLB. You'll end up doing your LLB for 2 years. Yeah. Tata.
Most of the learners believe that for you to be a lawyer, for you to be a lawyer,
yeah, thank you, Mr. Ndzhaka. I think that's a very valid question. Because I won't make a good lawyer and anything. I can assure you guys it's only 1% because it's the last percent of our work. Because we don't just take it to court. There's a huge process that takes place within, which requires you to be drafting a lot of correspondence and a lot of pleadings. Now, there's no need for you to go to court. Hence, I'm saying, as an attorney, if I don't want to go to court, you can always brief the advocate. And in as much as appeara courts are dura, we make more money. No matter where you are court, near place on the road, we are court 17, you would have paid you more than 4 times what I'm going to charge you appeara court. I would have made a lot of money through the consultation. For you to come here, who consult, or I get 2,500, including one full fine. When someone in similar process and drafted this someone, you need to pay at least 7,500. On that process, we would have made a lot of money. So you don't have to be and on that note, I'm such an honest person and him so well. So yeah, you don't have to be, but one thing that you need to be very precise and consistent in your studies. In law, we do a lot of reading, like a lot of reading. But the nice thing about law, I say, as you know, guys, we're all about money. For me to read one paper, if you Mr. Baron come down and review a contract, I charge to read per page. 1 page, 100 rand. I'm not going to be. And if it took me 1 hour, I'm going to charge you 100 rand per page. I don't charge the number of hours that I spend in signing a contract away. So you don't have to be for anything. And then conveyancers, if there are people who bought properties, but you don't have to talk to anyone there. You go to a conveyancer, drafted the contract, draft my paper, teacher title, if there's anyone long as have a property amongst you guys, how much have you paid for the transfer fees?
50,000.
Yeah. 50,000, that's something that you're going to pay just to transfer. And then I'm the rock super. Okay, Sabin draft a contract in one template of Tintamavito Lana. Looking at Tintamavito. Ndzhaka master and the food socialism I just signed when the secretary and the Saleka master 50,000 I should take around 5 minutes. That's how it works. So if property share the value of the property, let's say the property is worth around about 10 million, you can pay around about 250,000.